In this lecture, we will be looking at how to do input or output in Python. Primarily, input means how do we receive data from the keyboard, and output means how do we print data on the screen. In this lesson, we will look at the simple usage of print function. Let us declare a variable word equals hello. Let us declare another variable which is of integer data type number equals 100. To display the value of variable, we simply put the variable inside the parenthesis and sends it as an argument to the print function, that is print word. Similarly, print number. This works for any type of data and data structure we can make. For example, if I generate a data structure words equal that is of a list data type, list data structure, print is easy. In the similar way as above, I can print this list data structure using the command print with words in the parentheses. It works with literals as well. For example, I can print 100 directly. I can print hello like this. Even I can use arithmetic expressions for print. For example, print 3 into 2, 6. As well as I can use literal expressions such as concatenation for print command. For example, I can do print hello plus world. So it is printed. I can use simple tuple notation to print two different variables at the same time, right? Like print hello, comma, word, comma, number. So you can see this is a tuple. You can directly print tuple in this format. These are the brackets that are parentheses, and this is word and number that's separated by comma. This is a tuple. So you can also use tuple to print out the data as tuple. So I use this command to print the data as tuple. But if I want to print the same data using this command, that is print word plus this gives you an error because word is of string data type whereas number is of integer data type. So we need to explicitly change the number to string data type using the command str. Print word plus str number. It works perfectly fine. You can also see the usage of format string in case of print functions. These things are very common in C language. So for example, I define a variable name Mary and his grade equal to 91.6754. So you probably see this formatting in C also. Formatting means different ways to print some same data. So I define a variable record equals make a string and use percentile as for the string data type, and that is for the name, and separated by, so I write colon percentile point 2f. That means I want to display two decimal digits of the grade. So for grade I use 0.2f. So there will be two digits after decimal point in my record. So percentile and name comma grade. So if I print record, so there is an error because grade is written as a string. So I change the grade as a floating point 91.6754. Rewrite the record equal string percentile s for name colon for separating them, and percentile point 2f for grades, then percentile sign, then your name and grade. So you can combine and format it in your way. By formatting I mean that I am only showing two digits after decimal point by doing so. So if I write record, you can see the formatted output in which I have the name and the grade separated by a colon, and you can see there are only two digits after a decimal point in grade. This is called formatting in strings. Thank you for this lecture. I hope you like this lecture. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.